This is the final video to solve Apex Legends visual bug after NVIDIA driver update, because I also faced the same issue and tested lots of ways, but finally found multiple methods to solve Apex Legends visual bug after NVIDIA driver update, and I am going to share them with you. First, consider rolling back your NVIDIA driver. The latest update might introduce a specific incompatibility with Apex Legends or your hardware configuration. Reverting to a previously stable driver version effectively removes the new driver as the potential source of the problem, restoring your system's previous functional state and eliminating driver-level conflicts. Second, a clean reinstall of your NVIDIA driver using a tool like DDU is often crucial. Driver updates sometimes leave behind residual files that can corrupt or conflict with new installations. A clean sweep ensures all previous driver components are purged before a fresh install, preventing deep-seated file conflicts and guaranteeing system integrity for optimal performance. Third, verify your game files through your EA app, Steam, or Origin client. While the driver is external, a visual bug could inadvertently trigger game file corruption or misalign internal render settings. Verifying integrity checks for and repairs any corrupted or missing game files, ensuring that Apex Legends itself isn't introducing rendering errors. Finally, adjust your in-game video settings. A new driver might interpret certain graphical parameters differently, leading to visual artifacts if settings are too high or specific features conflict. Reducing demanding options like texture quality or disabling anti-aliasing can alleviate GPU strain and help pinpoint if the issue is performance related or tied to a specific rendering pipeline feature now clashing with the updated driver's behavior.